Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Randy and we're going to do an unboxing today. I just received this package because I ordered a pair of shoes for my mom and it is from Hoka. I ordered it online from their website, so I hope that they've given me the correct size, because the last one that I've ordered, instead of sending me the size 11, they've sent me 9.5. So hopefully it's 8.5, because this is what I've ordered and I'm sure my mom is going to love these shoes. Okay, we're going to do the unboxing now. So it just arrived a few minutes ago, so I decided I might as well do this video because I'm a bit sleepy right now and I don't want to waste my time of just lying in bed and do nothing, because I still have so many things that I need to pack in my luggage. So here it is, my favorite brand, Hoka. And yeah, so let's open this box and see what's inside. Boy, I love this color and I'm sure my mom is going to love this one, because I told my nanay, like, I'm going to get you a shoes that's very comfy, like if we go on shopping, like, because the malls, like, they're huge and we need to walk a lot, so at least she'll be wearing a very comfy shoes, like it's very comfortable for her feet. My mom is not getting any younger, so hopefully. So this is the shoes made by Hoka. Look at that. Yeah, so the good thing about Hoka, I think most of their soles are made by Vibram, but this one, it doesn't show in here Vibram, but yeah, it's still the same. So let me see the size of these shoes. Okay, so it's 8.5. Yeah, nice. Because I thought that it will take like 2 weeks for them to deliver it to me. I was a bit anxious because I was thinking, like, I need to pack this one and put it in my luggage, and luckily it arrived today, because I've been tracking the delivery date, but it's been like 3 days or 4 days that still it says it's still in Oxford, and it hasn't been delivered yet. So yeah, the delivery was like a few days, like it's been a week. So yeah, but I love it. Very comfy, like, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, it's very lightweight, like as if you're not wearing anything. So guys, check this out, like, visit their website. I'm not sure if they deliver in the Philippines though, but I think there should be Hoka in the Philippines, like, I'm not sure though. The qualities that I'm looking for in the shoes is something that's very lightweight, as if you're not wearing anything, something that's going to provide you comfort in your feet, especially if you're on your foot the whole day, and something that doesn't give you pressure on your knees and on your ankles. So this one, I've guaranteed you that when I'm using it, it doesn't give me a pain in my back for 12 hours of shift, and it gives me comfort throughout the day. Because some shoes, like I'm wearing, especially if I'm wearing clogs on my shift, like I just can't wait to take it off when I get home. But this one, it's a joy of it's a joy wearing this kind of shoes, like the Hoka shoes. So I highly recommend this one if you've got problem with your knees, if you had a previous surgery. Me, I had a surgery before, so in my knee, so this one really changed my life. It really helped me. So yeah, I hope my mom's going to like the color. I'm the one who chose it, actually. Okay, thank you for watching my quick unboxing video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated with the latest videos that I'm going to upload. See you guys. God bless.